Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, this story has been getting popular and going viral about a car um, possible ring, squatting ring, where a car cuts in front of you on the road, stops short, you hit them in the rear, bunch of people get out the car claiming injuries, and it's a total insurance scam. Now, that's not unusual. It's been done before. It's been called squatting. But this one particularly is interesting because it could be a ring. Well, it's not could be. I'll show you why. It's definitely organized crime. And this is happening in New York. And here's the car. Silver car cuts in front of a driver on the road. New York City Highway, Parkway. Stops. And the driver did a good job of avoiding the accident by stopping just in time. But that wasn't good enough. These people are very aggressive. They moved up, put it in reverse, and smashed into them. And now they're going to get out the car and claim injuries. Look at all the terrible acting. Okay, so what's interesting is that immediately this red Kia stops in front and actually picks up a few of the passengers and disappears. So the accident happens, red Kia is coming around and parks in front. So we're talking about people helping, conspiracy, and all that. Now, this story from Inside Edition is updating, saying that they found a car abandoned parked in Brooklyn. It seems like the neighborhood knows whose car this is because they wrote a sign "rats" on them. They had another sign called "fraud" on it. It's been parked there with tickets. There's the registration right there. It should show the name of the owner and whoever. So NYPD comes, picks up the car, tows it away. They even left a plate on. So the car is found. I don't think they still haven't found a driver. So the NYPD tows the car, evidence. Now, this other lady shares a similar story.
Over. Red Kia Mini.
So here they talk about this lady. She has a similar story, and she happened to have a dash cam. And they do the same thing. They move in front of her. They squat. She wasn't fortunate enough to stop in time, so she hits them. These dudes get out. More injuries here. The key is red Kia in front, pulls over and parks, takes away some of the people. The lady claimed that the red Kia was behind her before the accident. So they're picking out cars, probably expensive cars, probably most likely with female drivers in them because they probably don't want trouble with male drivers that probably would give them trouble. So they're singling out females, probably expensive cars, and this is definitely organized crime, conspiracy, or insurance fraud ring. And who knows who these guys are? Do they have ID? Are they illegal? Or they bums in the neighborhood? They can't use the same people because then insurance companies will realize that they're paying out the same claim several times to the same people. So I guess the ring has to be lawyers, doctors involved in cahoots. Somebody's organizing. They're probably paying these people up front. This way they get their money and they're gone. And the whoever's organizing the ring collects $2,000 to $5,000 a head for soft tissue injury. The X-rays don't show anything. They get some BS therapy in these medical clinics. Very sophisticated and set up. It's like a business. It's like a business. It's going on in New York, and because New York laws favor you hit somebody in the rear, you're automatically at fault, and insurance companies are willing to pay out up to a certain amount because it's cheaper to pay than to fight. So what do we do to fight back? Dash cams. Dash cams will protect you from being at fault in these incidents, showing that you are a victim of a scam. Dash cam will prevent the insurance company from paying these lowlives out. So the lawyers, the scammers, the doctors, and the organized crime people that are putting this together will not get paid. So I would suggest, I am an Amazon affiliate, and I'm going to put several dash cams in the description that are popular at Amazon. If you do make a purchase, I appreciate it because it helps support the channel. I may make a small commission, but most important, you're fighting back against these lowlives that are out there preying on you and your family for money, making insurance go up, and all that. Easy way to protect yourself. I'm going to put dash cams in the range of under $100 up to $300, depending on your needs and your budget. So protect your family, protect yourself from fraudsters. Check out these dash cams. Thank you for supporting the channel, and be safe out there.